Equalization charge is used to balance out voltage differentials between individual battery cells that develop during normal daily charging and discharging. Over time, some battery cells discharge more than others, causing the battery to become unbalanced. During equalization charge, the battery is overcharged in a controlled manner, ensuring that all battery cells reach the same state of charge. This process extends battery life, prevents sulfation, and reduces self-discharge. We have 4 different modes available. First off, the equalization charge is deactivated, and this is the standard charging operation. Next, we have the delay. After a predefined delay time, the equalization charge is started automatically. Next, we have the weekday settings. A specific weekday, for example Sunday, is selected on which the battery do the equalization charge, so we have the full battery capacity available on Monday. And the last setting is the manual activation. This process can be started at any time by pressing a button. This function is only available for flooded lead-acid batteries. Key parameters such as current, voltage and duration time can be fully adjusted. During controlled overcharging, the battery produces gas. Therefore, the room must be well ventilated, and the vent caps should be open or loosen. The current status of the equalization charge is always indicated by an icon on the home screen. So first we will enter the menu. We press the menu button for 5 seconds. We are selecting configurations and we enter the code 1511. We are selecting the charging settings. Now we have already selected our battery technology and our charging characteristics. In our case it's pvwet and the RI charging process. Now we are pressing the down button to go to settings, and in settings we are selecting equalization charge. Now the equalization charge is deactivated. We can now select between 3 different modes. First we will enter in delay. Now you can select the delay time and the duration time for the equalization charge. Then we have the weekday. Here you can select the defined weekday for the equalization charge. In our case it's Sunday with a duration time of 2 hours. And at the last we have the manual activation. You can also choose here the delay and the duration time, and also the current, the voltage. Now after we selected our equalization charge, we are going back to the home menu. Yes, we want to confirm the changes, and now back in the home menu we can now see if the equalization charge is active on this symbol.